Toll Gate West Entrance. Ito na ho yung
Map
National
picture.
Park, ano?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
You need a map?
Sure.
Here you go.
Appreciate it. Thank you
Good
very
day.
much. You too. Diba? Di nakakalibre sa mga ano, pang senior.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa COA, sa West Glacier, West Glacier. And yan. Yan naman ang mga pupunta rin dito, mga galing din sa iba-ibang state. Ang galing ng Broncos, Oregon, Texas. Hindi ko mabasa yung isa doon. Arizona, Colorado, Nebraska. Ano pa yun? Montana lang yun eh. So, maraming mga namamasyal din dito. So, ito yung pa second camp na pinuntahan namin, National Park. So, hi Bunso.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Made many slime.
May slime. So, pinagpahinga muna namin yung pick up kasi yung isang kasama namin, yung pinsan ni Mrs. is nag-rent din ng sasakyan. So, ang ginawa namin, pinagpahinga namin yung sasakyan doon. So, yun, pakita namin sa inyo yung iba-iba pang lugar dito sa COA.
Inarangan ako ng motor.
So, ito yung isang view rito sa pinuntahan namin. Siya yung bundok. So, yan. Ito kami galing sa baba. Yun yung kalsada. Oh, galing kami sa baba. So, yan. So, maganda naman yung weather. So, yan. Ganda, oh, mga Rockies.
a smile upon your face, and I I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you wanna glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning guns. Would you follow me to wonders? Take my hand and walk beside me in a world of thunder. Fear is an imposter. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in.
So ito guys, oh, dito kami sa West Glacier. Yan. Nakakalula. Nakakalulang tumingala. Yan natin dito.
So the days became weeks, it felt just like the night before. You were slowly fading in my mind. When you left, I was so completely gone, but now I'm sure you were some of the best of things to find. Would you follow me to wonders? If you're everything that matters to me, makes me wonder why I can't get over you. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in.
Right.
Oh, wildflower. What? Hey, oh, Diana, come here.
Mahal, gusto mo kayong dalawa? Sige na, tara na. Tara, tara, tara.
Pampas tayo, Tina.
Daddy, nasa overlook.
Hindi, overlook lang tayo eh. Hindi tayo bumaba.
Hindi ka bumaba doon sa mismo hidden lake.
Hindi pwede yun, ha? Tara.
So nilakad natin gano'ng kalayo? 1.3 miles?
One
So
way.
one way, overlook.
So 2.6
na tayo.
2.6.
Tapos destination elevation, ganyan ka pa.
7,000.
165.
Hanap lang kami ng ano, ha? Banyo.
Total elevation loss.
Yeah.
Ang layo pa pala noon, ano? Bali 1 point ano pa?
Pwede ka palang bumaba sa
1.2 pa.
Hindi pwede yun, balik tayo.
Oh,
ay,
tara.
Tara, hindi pwede yun.
Teka,
Hindi
nanay
kaya.
ko gusto bumalik eh.
Mommy, no.
Bukas uli. Sean, bukas uli.
Kailangan natin
Taas.
pumunta doon sa baba ng
Bukas
lake,
ulit.
mag-swimming.
Bukas uli.
See, look. This is where we went.
So yun, nakababa na kami galing doon sa lake. Sa ano?
Oh my gosh.
Sa nito?
Oh, teka, nagpipicture si Lola eh.
Nag-trail kami doon sa taas.
Sa bundok na yun, oh.
Sa bundok na yun.
Yun yung
Ayun.
maganda eh.
So yun, nakababa na kami.
1.3 miles.
So another trail again.
So 2.6 round trip.
2.6 round trip na lakad.
Kinaya ni Princess Gianna.
So yun, kita-kita tayo sa susunod na
Trail.
pupuntahan. At bumaba na kami. St. Mary's Church. Wala ni nagbabangka.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I got, it is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
Like long sticks for marshmallow.
So we can put it in the fire like
Uh-huh.
this, and then
But you have to hold it up like that. You have to hold it up
like this.
Yeah.
With 2 hands.
And then you warm up the marshmallow, you turn it around, and then when it's hot,
Blow it.
then you put the graham cracker like that,
And then the
and then you put the
Mahal.
chocolate,
Doon ka, di ka kita sa camera.
then the marshmallow.
and then you put the marshmallow, and then
Ano
you
yan,
put
video?
the other,
Oh, ano lang.
and then you put the top graham cracker. See?
Stolid siya.
Like down. Like that. Here's
And then so the
top.
marshmallow is hot and warm and soft because it was in the fire. Do you like that?
Mother hurt you up, and also the chocolate and the marshmallow are together.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's how you do it.
You want to do that? See? Like this.
Why are they putting something there?
No, because they burned the marshmallow.
Oh.
So, nakatapos na kami ng araw. Nakabalik na kami rito sa aming campsite. Yung RV.
They put a lot
Ayan, dyan.
maybe it's a big
So, nagbo-burn fire. Kung naman sa ito, busy-busy sa cellphone.
Wow.
Ay, kamusta na kabayan? Ito dito eh.
Say hi.
Nagsisiga kami dito eh.
Say hi, Jana.
Hi, we have pee-pee.
Mama, nagluluto dito ng barbecue. Barbecue muna.
Wait, I wanna see the chocolate.
So what?
Why did
So yan, sila nagluluto rin sa loob.
chocolate?
So yun, bukas may lakad ulit kayo. Bukas ng umaga, all day.
Oh, that's just the 3 pieces.
Ayun po, nagpatak po.
They should put
So yun, bonfire. Hindi naman ganun kalamig eh.
That's 2.
Hindi nga.
Nag-jacket lang ako kasi
Wait, why is that?
kanina malamig sa taas. Umakit kami sa taas.
Why is this?
Hindi nagsipot.
Ako na ho! Ako na ho.
Baka mamaya natin ang gagawin.
So to, barbecue.
Can you see the stars?
Yeah.
So ito, barbecue na muna. Ang pulutan at saka pang ulam na rin. So para bukas, maaga bukas kaming nilalakad. Yan.
Hindi nakita ka?
So anong oras na? 9:30 na. Ang gabi. So yun.
So laundry.